and welcome to accessible library programs that feature craft ideas that are accessible. Today, we're going to highlight an activity we did from Vermont that has a tie-in to eagles. So today's craft is all about textures, touch, simple products, and materials, and it's called Bald Eagle Buddies, but of course. All right, Kate, are you ready to get started?
Yes,
By
absolutely.
the way, this is Kate, and we're ready to get started.
Hello. Yes, so for supplies for this little art project, we're going to need two pom-poms, one small and one large. They can be different colors. The ones we have here today are white for the little one and brown for the big one, which are traditional bald eagle colors, but really you can get creative with whatever you have available. And then we have some foam sheet pieces. So these two orange ones are little feet. So I like to describe them as kind of rounded heart shapes. We have two little mounds that stick out from one side with a little valley in between for his little toes and a complete rounded side on the back for his heel. And so those are not quite the same. But we get the idea.
Mhm.
So no need for perfection, just for fun.
Yeah.
And then the other two pieces are wings. So they're kind of leaf shaped. They're ovals with 2 points on each end. These ones are brown, but again, this is all creative. So whatever colors you have available are just great. Then we have a little yellow triangle for the beak. It's made out of paper. So it's still a texture, but it's different than the wings and the feet. So again, like Denise said, we're varying the kind of materials we have available and that we're going to use for this. And then, of course, two little googly eyes. And we'll use the glue to get everything all together. The nice part about this project is that we just glue everything together. There's no special folding or cutting, but everything just sticks together all nice and it's great. So I'm going to start with putting two little glue dabs on the bottom of the large pom-pom.
And Elmer's glue does work.
It does.
It does.
You don't need a lot to get it to stick really well, which is handy. So it takes down the messes that can be made while also doing the job swimmingly. So while the glue is still dry, everything's a little bit slippery and can fall off, but that also gives you time if you need to move it around, then that's good. But otherwise, if you want it to stay in one place, you'll just need to be careful. So then we have the little feet on there. They're cute.
So they're so cute.
Then I'm going to flip it around. So on the side that the heels of the feet are pointing towards, I'm going to glue on the wings. So again, two little glue dabs on the back.
It's always nice when you talk about what each of the material is for. I love that, including this is going to be for the wing, and
yeah,
it's a nice addition.
Yeah, and that's the nice part about having pre-cut pieces is that definitely recommend before giving it to kids or friends or whoever is going to be doing this project, doing pre-cut pieces streamlines the process, makes it nice and easy. There we go. We'll let the wings dry. He's coming together. And now for our little nose, just one glue dab this time. A little yellow triangle for his nose, making sure to leave enough room on the top for two more glue dabs for the eyes.
So easy.
Very easy. It's just putting together a puzzle.
And the dry time. And I do love how you have foam material with the foam because it really adds that extra layer because you have that soft puffball, the softness of that, and then you add in that extra with the foam.
Absolutely. We want each part to feel different enough that it feels like a cohesive art piece, but then also you can tell which part is which part.
It's
then
coming together.
One final glue dab on top of the big pom-pom to stick on the head. And there we go.
He's adorable. He is. He really is really cute.
Yeah. So he's still drying a little bit, but there we go. There's our little bald eagle buddy.
So actually, it's nice work.
Thank you.
And this was kind of neat too, because you can attach this eagle and add it into almost another layering on top of mountains or something that you've done with craft sticks earlier with other ideas. But it works. It's fun. Accessibility is part of this tuning in. But thank you so much, Kate. And to learn more about our other programs, go to iowalibrary.blog, youth programs, click on summer reading program, and you will gain access to several other ideas that will give you programs and videos. So thank you and have a great day. Bye. See you next time.